Assalamualaikum guys, what's up? Welcome to my another video. In today's video I have some realistic guns and equipments guys. As you guys can see, I have this MP5 submachine gun and it has a silencer. Look at that, a silencer. And here is the battery place. I'm gonna put some batteries here guys. 3 batteries here দেখতে পাচ্ছ তোমরা, এগুলোকে এখানে আমি প্লেস করব। Then I'm gonna show you guys how it really works. Wow, this is an walkie-talkie, beautiful walkie-talkie, intercom, and here is a pistol, a desert eagle pistol. Here is a similar one. Wow, it's a soft bullet pistol guys. Wow, powerful. Let's try again. Yay, powerful pistol. Here is a knife, a Chinese knife, beautiful. And here is a handcuff, an old handcuff. অনেক পুরনো হ্যান্ডকাফ গাইস, এটি আমার ইউজ করতে করতে অনেকটা কিন্তু শেষ পর্যায়ে চলে আসছে এটি। সো গাইস, and here is a Avenger hammer, and here's the final one. It's a sniper rifle, MP5 sniper rifle. Here's the loader. Wow, beautiful MP5 sniper rifle. So guys, that's all for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.